Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. Each of the 13 campaigns has several missions that you need to complete before you can move to the next one. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will help you from everything from takeoffs and landings to strafing and bombing and navigation. You name it, it's covered. So this is episode 4 of the Sea Dragons campaign. But it's probably a good idea for you to look at the videos on missions 2 and 3 first. Once again, we're using the IL-2 to hit the defensive positions to the north. I add the power at the same time my wingman adds his so I can stay with him. Once we have our power, props, mixture and radiator set, we concentrate on staying in formation. The flight lead makes a slight heading correction to the left, which I don't anticipate very well, and so I have to make a correction to get back on track. Once that's sorted out, we're ready to start our attack run. And for this scenario, you can see we have German fighters attacking already. Maintain your formation, confirm your position on the map, and now find your target on the ground. And there it is, dead ahead. Drop your 4 bombs when the leader drops his 4 bombs, and start turning for home. My tail gets chewed up with flak, but I'm still able to fly the aircraft. So it's going to slow me down quite a bit, so I'm going to have to really work at keeping my formation here. Those German fighters can't be far away. And now can you see the 109 climbing up to gain energy to make his attack? And down he goes. Even if he doesn't shoot anybody down on this pass, it's enough to disrupt the formation. And think of it this way, once you're out of formation, you're pretty well toast against fighters. So no matter what, our best defense is to get back into formation, where our combined gunners can provide protection for the whole group. And talking about gunners, one of your pre-takeoff checks can be to set your gunners. So use the tilde key, F1, F2 and F3, to tell them generally to fire at long range and fire at will. But on this mission, despite trying to stay in formation, the fighters came back and I was the only one left. Which meant I had to get down on the deck and run like hell. But now low-level navigation presents a problem. See the road down to the left? Where is that on the map? I'm holding my heading, but the only ground reference I can recognize is that road. It cuts through the forest and then goes to an open area. We have to find that on the map to identify where we are. And now just coming into sight ahead is the bay, and we know where that is in relation to the airfield. Now we're approaching the airfield at full cruise speed here, so we have to slow down in time so we can get the flaps and the gear down. We have to lose 150 kilometers an hour before we touch down. Now keep in mind, with battle damage like we have, it may affect how the airplane flies at slow speed. So we want to keep just a little bit extra speed on until we touch down. Sometimes that will require the use of power. Well, it's not so pretty, but we're down in one piece. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you'll join me for Mission 5 and all the others. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.